Hello, and welcome to the garden. There's a special magic in planting something once and watching it return, year after year. Today, we're exploring that magic with perennial plants, the backbone of a resilient, low-maintenance garden. Unlike annuals, perennials come back stronger each season, saving you time and money. Their deep roots make them robust and self-sufficient. By growing perennials, you're investing in a living pantry that replenishes itself. Let's discover 10 edible perennials that will transform your garden into a source of endless harvests. Let's get our hands in the soil. We begin with asparagus, the aristocrat of the vegetable patch. Plant it once, wait a couple of years, and you'll be rewarded with tender spears every spring for decades. Harvest for 6 to 8 weeks, then let the ferns feed the roots for next year's crop. The taste of homegrown asparagus is simply sublime. Next, rhubarb, a robust, dependable plant with dramatic leaves and crimson stalks. Plant it once and enjoy tart stalks for years. Just remember, only the stalks are edible, the leaves are poisonous. Harvest by twisting stalks from the base and enjoy a taste of spring. Globe artichoke brings Mediterranean flair to your garden. Harvest the immature flower buds for 4 to 6 years from a well-tended plant. In cold climates, mulch the crown after harvest to protect it through winter. Come spring, it returns with new growth and delicious globes. Chives are the ultimate low-maintenance perennial herb. Plant a clump, snip what you need, and watch it regrow in days. Let them flower for edible blooms and to attract pollinators. Chives feed you and support your garden's ecosystem. A truly wonderful, multi-purpose plant. Thyme thrives on neglect and sun, perfect for poor, well-drained soil. Once established, it returns year after year, its fragrance filling the summer air. Harvest sprigs as needed. It only gets tougher and more flavorful with time. Upright or creeping, thyme is a steadfast garden companion. Mint is almost too good at being perennial. Its vigor is legendary. Always grow it in a container to keep it contained. Harvest ruthlessly for endless fresh leaves. It will bounce back every time. Mint is the very picture of abundance. Strawberries are true perennials, producing fruit for years and sending out runners for new plants. Refresh your patch by potting up runners and removing old plants. A little maintenance and mulch keep berries sweet and clean. Enjoy a sustainable, ever-productive strawberry harvest. Blueberries are a long-term investment, rewarding you for decades. They need acidic soil. Grow them in pots with ericaceous compost if needed. With sun and rainwater, they'll give you flowers, fruit, and fiery autumn foliage. Blueberries are a beautiful, productive addition to any garden. Horseradish is fiercely pungent and persistent. Plant it once, and it's yours for life. Give it a corner to spread, and harvest roots in autumn or winter. Even a small piece left in the ground will regrow. It's a sustainable, low-effort crop with a spicy kick. Sorrel is a zesty, lemony green, one of the first to emerge in spring. Harvest outer leaves all season, snip flower stalks to keep it productive. It's hardy, reliable, and bridges the gap before other salad greens are ready. Sorrel is a long-lasting, flavorful addition to any kitchen garden. These 10 perennials form the foundation of a sustainable, rewarding garden. Plant them once, and they'll repay you season after season. Perennials save work, money, and connect us to the rhythms of nature. I hope you're inspired to add these treasures to your own garden. Invest in plants that give back far more than they take. Thank you for joining me. Happy gardening. Grow for the long haul.